Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 9th, yes, 2020. The last Sudoku in this edition with extra Sudokus is a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this will be number 149 Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan. Do we have here a single box? No, I cannot see a single box. I see only a dual box. We have a dual box. The one or the two goes in those two boxes. We see here one, so no one there. One should be here, and the two goes there. These three boxes cannot be a 1, so these two boxes left for the one could be here or could be there. These three boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, the 3 could be here or could be there. Then the dual box, do we have a triple box? Yes, we have a triple box here, 1, 2 and a 3. The 3 is already filled in. We see here 1, so this box cannot be a 1. This box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3 and cannot be a 5. So this should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. And also these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Here also 2. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2 as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 4 and 5, 1, 5, 4 and 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 4 is left. This box should be the 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so 1 that's left should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4, let me mark them, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a... This box should be the 1. Alright. That means this box can also not be a 4. Otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them, 3 and the 4. Same like here, 2 boxes left in this area, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box should be the 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 5 is left. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I eliminated the 1. This box cannot be a 1, so this box should be the 1, and the other box empty should be the 4. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 2 anymore, because if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes there, and 1 digit left should be the 3. We have a 3 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 1 are left. Let me mark them. Here we have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in these 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5 in this area. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here. I cannot fill this yet or mark them. We have a 2 here. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. So the 3 and the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. This box should be the 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it should be the 2. Yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 4. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 1. 2 and 3 are left. I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2, this should be the 2, and this should be a 3. 1 and the 2 are left, yes. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1, this should be the 1, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And now Let me think. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 and a 2 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 there. So the 2 goes here, here, or there. But I see here a 2. No 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. One box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here. So this box is going to be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 3. We have a 3 here. That means these 3 boxes. Sorry. 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here. That means that I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 3 and a 4. That means I cannot place a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. I need a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. So if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 there. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, because I need a 4 there, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and this box should be a 5. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes, wait, this box cannot be a 2. Wait, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so 1 digit left should be the 5. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.